TechnoIllustrator. Rotating a photo. Learn. Steps. Step 1. Open Windows Live Photo Gallery. Click on Start. All Programs. Windows Live Photo Gallery. Or click on the shortcut on your desktop. Step 2. Download eScrapbook folder in TLIB website. You will be using those pictures in this activity. First, you need to copy the folders to student stations. Place it in Libraries. Pictures. On the left side of the screen, look for the eScrapbook folder. Click the folder to see its contents. Step 3. Select a photo. Select the photo that you think should be rotated. If you want to rotate multiple photos at the same time, you can select them by clicking on the photos and putting a check on the box, or by pressing Ctrl key then selecting the photos that you want to rotate. Rotate the photos. Right-click on the photo. Click on Rotate Right or Rotate Left depending on the picture's orientation. Click on the photos that you want to modify, then click the icon Rotate Left or Rotate Right found on the upper part of the screen. Do the same thing on the pictures that have the wrong orientation. If you're done with the activity, show it to your teacher for checking.